What's up YouTube, it's your boy Barber and I'm back again with another video. And right here I got my boy Lenny, aka LJ the second in the chair with some freshly done braids. And today in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a low taper with enhancements. So my boy got some undercut action going on, so I got my number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to be cutting down all around, going with the grain. For my next step, I'm going to be using my Enhancements Pros, and I'm going to be making my first ball line to start off this taper. Next, using my 5-star finales, I'm going to go ahead and fold shape just beneath the first ball line. Next, using my wall cordless seniors, I'm going to make my first open guideline using the corners of my blade. Next, I got my lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go ahead and bump out that ball line going up just a little bit. Next, I'm going to be opening and closing my lever to blend out the rest of this guideline. For my next guideline, I got my number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go up about ½ an inch, still using the corner of my blades. Next, I got my 0 guard, and I'm going to be opening and closing the lever just to blend out the rest of this guideline. Next, using my 1½ guard, I'm going to create another guideline going up another ½ an inch, still using the corner of my blade. Going back to my number 1 guard, I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to be using the corner of my blades to clean up this blend a little more. So when it comes to certain client, you want to consider that pushback is necessary. I mean, I don't consider it pushback at all. I consider it creating a better hairline. And with my client here, he doesn't mind at all. So he just wants a better hairline that will look fine on him because his natural lineup is way too low. So when it comes to applying enhancements, you want to use something like a business card or like a hard piece of paper. And right here, I'm just going to lay the business card on the edge of his hairline. And while I'm using the enhancements, I'm only going to spray a little bit at a time. Try not to make it too dark because you want to give it more of a natural look. Alright YouTube, that's pretty much it for this haircut. Shout out to my boy Lenny for sliding through and helping me make this happen on this tutorial. And go ahead and check out his Instagram at LJ2nd. And also, if anybody here is new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you liked the video, go ahead and comment and give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to keep updated on any upcoming YouTube videos or for daily posts, follow me on Instagram at Barber and book your next appointment with me on Booksy.
Yeah, who the f is you? Ay, 4G autos on the whip. Missed call from your got a stick bigger than a blimp. Start running your lips. Ay, jury, I see she might slip. Touching on it, I keep the toolie. We can make a movie with this clip. 4G autos on my you right on hubcaps. If you shooting first, don't think that I'm on bus back. I be revving up that engine, yo, love that. You talking business, have a meeting with this snub cap. Ooh, when I'm off that tree, I'm leaning sideways. Slide the Davis on the mother Friday. Yeah, aiming at you through a reticle. And I'm off the edible. When I'm spitting, it's incredible. I got you so flexible. And I'm off this pipe. I just gave her pipe. I just swipe. I don't ask the price. I'm just living life. Ricky Bobby on my body. I be speeding through the night. Chiefing is my hobby. Niggas copy with no right. Post it on the block like I am the white. You don't want this stick. Get hit with this knife. Say this is past, I'm not human.